This is Chief Meteorologist Eric Tallman in the Weather Center. The winter weather advisory will continue for all of southeast Michigan until 6 p.m. So that means that the snow and rain is going to continue. We did have some freezing rain earlier this morning, so hopefully you guys had slowed down your travel as well. We're going to actually show you if there's any other nasty weather that's going to be coming towards our way. We are expecting more snow in the forecast. In the 7-day forecast, and it does look like we're going to see some accumulating snow. We'll get into that just a little bit, and it looks like we're probably going to get 2 to 3 inches of snow out of that. We'll let you know what day that's going to happen because that is in the forecast, so look forward to that, and it's going to be enough for you to shovel, unfortunately. So we're just getting rounds of one system to another. So whatever you see on the radar is what's coming. It's actually a monster of a storm. So if you do have your cell phones, and if you are getting those storm alerts, hopefully you are actually aware of the whole situation. Now, most of the state of Michigan is under that winter weather advisory. It looks like the whole state of Michigan has now been included in the winter weather advisory, so it has been expanded in the state of Michigan, even in the northern part of Michigan, so look forward to that. And we will be seeing colder temperatures that will be developing later on and moving into southeast lower Michigan for the remainder of the rest of the week. So that means that we will have frigid temperatures and colder temperatures for the beginning of the start week of the first week of January 2015. So we will have temperatures in the teens, so that means you're going to have to bundle up as well. Is there going to be any more winter severe weather in our forecast? I will detail that and the rest of the extended forecast coming up moments away. I'll have another update between 2 and 3 o'clock. Please stay tuned. I will continue to keep you posted on this wintry event. So take it easy out there, because some of the areas in metropolitan Detroit have actually seen some accumulating snow on the ground, because out in Armada they have actually had some snow that's actually sticking to the ground as well. We'll let you know how long that's going to be sticking around. Also, we have more winter weather advisories in the Midwest right now. We're actually going to take you flying right now and show you if there's any other action that's going to be coming our way, and then we'll go back to our radar in just 1 second. Give me a second. Trying to figure out what happened here. Okay, there it is. Okay, so this is what we've got going on. We have a big mess of different things, so we're going to go ahead and tell you what's going on. So most of the state of Michigan, even in the Upper Peninsula, has winter weather advisories, so they're going to be seeing a lot of the action that we've seen. So this is actually a monster of a storm that we were dealing with, so everything is quite active. We even have winter storm warnings that are in effect, and more winter weather advisories that are underneath the winter storm warnings down there. So a lot of areas are going to be seeing a very nasty weather pattern. And then the further south that you go, just east of the Oklahoma state border, they're actually seeing winter storm warnings as well. So this is actually very active weather that we're seeing, and it's not just that. We actually have more of that coming in way to the west, over in San Francisco and etc. in California and Los Angeles. So we have a lot to contend with. We will continue to watch the next storm that is going to be developing way to the west, and that will be headed towards the Midwest. So unfortunately, we'll keep you posted, but all of these winter weather advisories and all the active weather, the snow, rain mix, and freezing rain and sleet and ice that we were dealing with earlier this morning, that was a mess. So even though that we do have this wintry mix still in the forecast, and we're still under that winter weather advisory until 6 p.m. tonight, things are going to be sloppy and messy. So even though we are dealing with this action and weather situation, you still want to reduce your speeds Some of the roads could still be slick if they have not been treated with ice and all of that. And we will continue to give you more updates as we go throughout the later of the day. So because of the situation that we're dealing with for right now, we are going to actually delay our extended forecast, and we'll have that coming up probably between 7:30 tonight and 10 or 11 o'clock tonight. So sorry about the delay. We really have to focus in on this storm system in the Midwest, and it's actually a monster of a storm, a big one. We'll talk about if there's going to be any more of that. Way down to the south, they're actually seeing severe weather down there, severe thunderstorms as well. They might even see some tornadoes way down to the south. Over in Jackson over there, they might even see some of that. And also, some areas will see some thunderstorms as well. We're under a little strip that is being circled. Not everybody is going to be seeing that. I think the thunderstorm action is not severe, but we might see some general thunderstorms. That's actually going to stay away from most of southeast Michigan. So probably the cities that are south of Detroit, or just a little bit north of Detroit, close to that area, might see a rumble of thunder or two. It's not going to be severe. You might even just hear a couple of rumbles of thunder. But over here, over in Rapid City right now, you're actually seeing a big snow maker that's actually developing. You can just see this band of snow over here that's developing over here. And then we also have over here snow that's developing, and we're also seeing a little bit of a rain-snow mix, freezing rain over there. Wouldn't be too surprised if later on throughout the day they see some sleet, freezing rain over there and some ice. But we have all this rain and snow that we have to deal with. And then also during the week we have to deal with another round of snow in the Midwest, and that is going to bring us some accumulating snow, and we'll talk about how much of that we're going to get. Our indications right now is that we'll get 2 to 3 inches of snow for southeast lower Michigan. We'll keep you posted on how much we're going to be impacted when the next storm system comes. So after this storm system leaves, then we've got this cold front that is way over in the Midwest right now, marching over into southeast lower Michigan. It's actually going to be sweeping across the Midwest, and it's going northeast right now. So once that cold front does move in to our area, it's really going to make those temperatures fall, and then we're going to see those frigid temperatures, and we're going to be seeing teen highs and lows as well. So that does mean that you're going to have to bundle up as well. So we're not looking too good for the first week of January 2015. So you're going to want to stay tuned with us, because if schools are going to be open that week, that's actually a question mark. We'll have to let you know during the week. So if your kids do go to school, you're going to have to watch the weather and all that kind of stuff. So if they do go to school, make sure that you bundle them up, or if you decide to keep them home, that is basically your decision, vice versa, whatever you feel comfortable with. We'll have the very latest on the weather situation. I will keep you informed and up to date on this weather pattern and all this active stuff that's in the Midwest. So I was actually surprised to see all of that, and then we'll watch the next storm system come in with that accumulating snow that we will be expecting in southeast lower Michigan, and we'll keep you posted on that. There's more to follow in just a little bit. This is Chief Meteorologist in the Weather Center. Stay tuned for more. We'll give you another update coming up in a couple of hours. We'll see you back here with another update at 5 o'clock, 6, 7, and at 10 and 11 o'clock tonight. So you'll be getting a lot of updates from us as well. So if we do have to extend our time because of this weather situation and what's breaking out in the Midwest, we will give you more information on that as well. Thank you for watching. We'll see you later.